Hi everyone, I'm Sangam and today I'm going to demonstrate the final assignment of BN309 Computer Forensics. And in this assignment, we are supposed to look for the cyber case. In this assignment, we will be using the forensic tools and anti-forensic tools for finding the case. And the computer forensic refer to extraction of the information that the cyber criminals or the attackers or criminals are trying to hide from or deleting the evidence of their crimes. So in this first part, we are going to use the steganography one. It is one of the forensic method in which the data are sent to the file by the attacker without knowing the presence, which simply means we can't see the hidden data in the normal picture or file that they have sent. So this is a very serious case, and so for this one, we will be creating two files: one image JPG file and one audio WAV file. So I'm going to share my screen for now. So I'll go to the file explorer and I have kept my on the desktop. I have kept my data. You can see image JPG and wave.wave. One is audio and one is image file. So now what we are going to do is uh, create a data new text file which we are going to embed in the file of this file. So create a text file called data. Now, after creating the data text file, so I will be writing my MIT ID, MIT 192.509. For this case, 192.509, and I'll be saving this information within this text file. This is the file that we want to send. So the most of the attackers write the malicious code or something. So I'm gonna save this for now, my ID. Yep, so now what we're gonna do is create the zip folder of the this. We'll create the data zip. So in this zip folder, we're going to copy the original file. So for this, we'll come to terminal cmd. We'll go to terminal first and we'll direct. I tried to copy my address, but I don't think it's working. I don't know why, because I just removed my OneDrive, so it's not doing good. Don't think it will go. So I will manually go into the change directory, change the desktop, change the desktop again, change the directory to the BN309 file. So so we'll check the list what are inside this file directory. So we can see there are three data txt, 123 data zip and image zip wave.wave. So now we'll be copying this file into the other file of the zip inside the zip file. So for this we'll run some commands. It will be copy slash b image dot jpg plus data data dot j data.zip, and at the end we'll write the image file that we want to create or the new file that we want to image file image2. Will create the image2 file called image2 dot zip zip jpg. So you can see it's copied. The original file is copied into the zip file. Again, for the wave file, we will be doing the same. It's copy slash b file of the name that we want to copy, wave dot wave plus data zip, and name of the folder that we want to create. Wave, we write wave2 dot wave. So now we can see we have successfully copied the two file, both the image file and the wave file, audio file, into the zip file. So we will check the list directory. So you can see the two directory has been created. So by this we can now we are now successfully able to copy into the zip file. After this, what we're going to do, you can see here the two file image.jpg. This is a newly file that we have created, and inside this file the data zip or the data txt file is embedded. We can't see with the normal software or normal eye. It looks generic or the simple. It seems normal. It seems hello. seems seems normal, but the data file is embedded inside this. To check this one, we will be running some software. It's called 7zip. I will quickly run this. So after going to the 7G folder, you can see users, users, desktop. You can see, look, we can see these files here. So when we look at this file, look, when we look at the image file that we were not able to see previously with the normal software or normal process, we can now see the data embedded inside this. And also in wave file, the next wave2 is generated. Look, the data is seen here, both in the image and wave file. So this proves that this is the forensic tools which we can identify the embedded data. And again, the now we are going to use the anti-forensic tools. So for this, we will be copying everything into this folder, my elimination folder, just like this. I have already copied this one and put it here. Now I will be erasing this file. For this one, we will be using other software, REMO. It's remove file eraser. We'll copy the folder and just paste in here. Files, my elimination folder. So we will be using this app called Remo. It is anti-forensic tools that is used to completely destroy the evidence This is mostly used by cyber criminals to hide the evidence or get away from the investigation. So we will remove this. First, we'll delete it from here. Now we will be using the file. And this is gone from here as well. So now we cannot see this file from the forensic tools, any forensic tools. So this is it. We were able to use the forensic tools and able to detect the embedded files, and also use the anti-forensic tools, the remove that we used for anti-forensic to completely destroy the evidence. Now it cannot be obtained by any means. So that's it for the video. Thank you.